Hello, everyone. I'm Sarah. Welcome to 1213 Prescott Way. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that you'll be notified when we post another video. A video. A video. Video. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Welcome, welcome, welcome to another episode. Hello, everybody. Hello, everybody. All right, before I get started, I should have had this pulled up. Um, I want you guys to know what's in my burrito. I have a vegetable burrito. Well, they call it a vegetarian burrito. And you will be surprised of what's in it. It's packed, as you can see, with flavors. It has grilled onions and bell pepper, um, stuffed with rice, beans, guacamole, sour cream, pico, lettuce, and cheese. So, there goes my trying to eat light today. Look at that. Let's do a thumbnail, a thumbnail. Can you tell it's a burrito? All right. And then I asked for some hot sauce. So let's check it out. Let's check it out. Mm. 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 Take a bite. Mm. 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 Seeing how I am going to lunch, dinner at Momo's. It's a Mexican restaurant. I mean, Japanese. I wanted to like get a salad. Mm. 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 But it is so good. Mm. And this gives it a kick, and you know I like the kick. Mm. 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 Guys, this is delicious. Mm. 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 Make you wanna dance. Make you wanna dance. You guys, mm, I had to get off the internet. All I saw was this one unaliving this child, this one unaliving this mother, this one. Now I saw one where the mother and the sister. I mean, the mother and the son's girlfriend unalive the son, his own mother, his mother and his girlfriend unalived him, chopped him up in little pieces, allegedly. Mm. 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 Purple, purple burrito. El purple burrito. You are the bomb. Mm-hmm. Mm. Mm. I'm scared to even take another bite because I'm full. One more for the road. Mm. 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 Got my water. Mm. Mm. That is filling. Mm. Mm. Hot. How many of you guys heard of El Purple Burrito? I never heard of it until I came here. I don't know if it's a franchise or if it's just local. I'll have to check it out. Mm. Ooh, I am full. And guess what? 1 week for my big surprise. Just 1 week, 1 week, 1 week, 1 week, 1 week. And it will be revealed. Can you believe time flies by that quickly? I'm happy, but then I know it's going to fly by and it'll be a distant memory. So I will enjoy every bit of it, but I cannot wait to share it with you. I just cannot. And I hope you enjoy it as much as I will. I hope you enjoy it. So, you guys, I'm going to take my full behind off of here because I am stuffed. Excuse me. Look at these. These are fat burritos, and it was $9.30 for this burrito. I just can't. I'm gonna have to wrap it up. See if David wants this other half. If not, I know I made him a meatloaf last night, and he really enjoyed that. It looked good. I just, I don't eat it, but he loved it. I made him some. He had some mashed potatoes with some gravy. I made some homemade gravy, and then he had some peas. And I don't eat any of it. The only thing on that menu was the gravy. That's the only thing that I would eat on some rice. So, anyway, guys, thank you so much again and again and again. I cannot thank you so much for the likes, the shares, the comments, just the support in general. Just keep it coming, keep it coming, keep it coming. I love it. And I really, really appreciate you guys. So, on that note, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you'll be notified when we post another videos in a video. And have a wonderful, wonderful rest of your morning, afternoon, evening, and night. And I'll see you on the next video. Love you. Peace.